Crypto billionaire 69 clocking in after a hard day's work. Been grinding on my on my business, second business that I've been running, second YouTube channel. So just got home. It is currently 11:28. I've been here for about an hour, but just got down to business and started looking at the charts again. So I thought I'd hop on and give you guys a quick update. Overall markets are looking very nice. As Bitcoin has broken these $45,000 levels, we have seen the first day hold above these 45,000. Okay, so this is our current line of, excuse the crookedness, but this is our current line of resistance that has turned to now support. 45,500, okay? We need to hold above this level, which we are very, very nicely, for 1, 2, 3, and tomorrow 4. Okay, if we do that, it's imminent that a market reversal is happening. Okay, it's a great sign. Now, this is what we need to look for, and this is what I believe might just happen tomorrow or even tonight. Okay, what did we see here? We saw a nice little spike. Okay, and Dogelon, I thought this was the Dogelon Mars chart. It kind of caught me off guard for a second, but we'll go over to that right now because it correlated so well. What happened with Bitcoin? What happened with Dogelon Mars? You can really tell. So you can see this pushing up higher. It pushed on Bitcoin, pushed up overall market. This is very important. Stay tuned. You need to understand the overall market in order to understand Dogelon Mars. So we will get into Dogelon Mars right as soon as I finish this. But it came up and wiped out a lot of the sellers here. Okay, very good thing. And we are still seeing buying pressure moving it higher, which means it doesn't matter. The sellers are now knocked out and the buyers, it just cleared the runway for it to move even higher. Now, Dogelon Mars analysis, let's get into it. We are hitting these 11 levels right now. It's a very good thing. And we spiked up almost. Look at this. We spiked up almost to these 13 levels. What does that do? It did the same exact thing as what I just described. Look at this volume stepping in. Very, very major here, right here. Okay, this is very key. We're starting to see volume pick up just like, okay guys, look. Just like this beginning move. Volume picked up very, very, very nicely. And it is starting to do so as well. Right here. Okay, this is just the beginning. That's what I'm saying. A lot of you guys in the Patreon are reaching out to me and are saying they want you want day trade buy and sell alerts for Dogelon Mars. And this is the thing. It is not very lucrative to day trade crypto, and this is the reason why. You have to pay short-term capital gains and slippage along with exchanges like MetaMask, their fees that you need to pay for trading small altcoins like Dogelon Mars and lower are absolutely insane. Day trading is not the best with crypto. Crypto is more of a buy low and sell high over a week to week or month to month basis. Okay, so with Dogelon Mars, we are looking within the next 5 to 8 months. We should be looking at a good 20x. All right, sounds insane, doesn't it? I know, but it's true. Okay, thought the same thing with Shiba Inu, and look where we are today. We need to look at these 34 levels for our. This is major right here. These 34 levels, that's where we're headed. Okay, we're gonna be there in no time. Mark this video, save this video. Keyword my phrase right here. We will be at these 34 levels in no time. Okay, before you know it, you're going to be wishing you bought right back down to here. So whenever I hear people like buying out or selling here after a little 30 to 50% spike, and then wanting to buy back in because they think it's gonna dip, it just doesn't make any sense to me, because You're paying short-term capital gains. And in the overall, you don't have to go through all this trouble, all this emotional turbulence in order to make the same amount of gains. Okay? So, that being said, if you are interested in day trading, I am not saying day trading is not a good way to make money. Okay? There are many ways that you can make $500 plus minimum in 1 to 2 hours a day trading. And I will show you that in the future, okay? I will show you that using futures. If you don't know what futures are, I will be getting into that in the future. I'm saying future a lot, but it's pretty funny. But right now, let's focus in on Dogelon Mars. I will talk more about futures, making $500 within 1 to 2 hours a day. It sounds insane, I know, but it's actually really, it's profitable. And I've done it multiple times, and I will show you guys how to do it. I'll talk more about that at the end of the video. Right now, this is the charts that we are looking at, okay? Saw a nice little push up higher, and then a nice retracement. We are still seeing this buying pressure just absolutely go insane right now, guys. It's looking very good. Okay, I don't want to get too excited, and it's hard sometimes not to get excited as we see the market start spiking. Okay, but it's very important that you stay unemotional in these markets so you don't make emotional decisions. If you're up 100 grand, you don't need to be looking at it like you're up a house, you're up a car, you're up a vacation. You need to be looking at it like it's a game, okay? It's just coins and they don't mean anything, all right? Once you can get that mindset down, that's very important. Then you can start making real money, okay? And it's not about the money. I don't even like calling it money. We'll call it coin. You can start making real coin because it's really just a game. Once you make that coin, get the strategy down, then you can just do it over and over and reap the rewards. It's beautiful. So, we have seen a nice retracement. Boom. Down these 618s, and we are indeed bouncing off very nicely. It came up and almost closed above these 0.5 levels. There we go. All right, came up, touched 618, retraced, closed above 0.5. Now it's showing major buying pressure, okay? Now, if we see this, it's very bullish, and we most likely will see this because the sellers are not stepping in right now. This is a very bullish pattern. Why do I say that? How do I know it's a bullish pattern? We are creating higher lows and have not broken this trend line in the past day. So, we have a very high likelihood of breaking through these 12s and even just absolutely blowing through the top of these 1285s tonight, okay? By the time we wake up, these overseas, I used to say like Russian people would come in just as a joke, but now that we're kind of in a war, I don't know if I should be saying that. I'm just still going to say it anyways. These crazy Russian hackers are going to come in and push this price higher, which pretty much means everyone from overseas is just waking up. They're seeing these nice prices. They're going to get in, okay? It makes the market move. Because crypto's a 24-hour thing. It's not just, okay, whenever the North America goes to sleep, that means South Africa can't buy crypto. Nope, it's all day long, baby, and that's beautiful. So, once we break through these 13s, we need to watch especially hard on these 14 levels. This is our next level of resistance. And it's even crazy talking about these 14 levels because just a week ago, we were back down literally buying in. Those of you in the Patreon, we were buying in around these 6.4 levels, these 6.2 levels just a few weeks ago, and we're going to be up 100%, okay? 100%. Now, if that's worth $20 a month in the Patreon, okay, good. I'm glad you're making your money back. That's what I'm saying. Like, this information is beautiful. I get very excited. I'm a crypto maniac. Anyways, what we are looking at is a nice move to the upside. Within the coming 2 days, 3 days, okay? So, that is if we do hold. It's moving up as we watch these charts. That is if we do hold these upward trend lines, okay? Right here. Boom. And there's a very high likelihood that we will. However, let's say we don't, okay? If we don't, we need to watch these 8 levels for support, okay? It'll come down, base. If it bases, this is a great sign too, okay? Either one of these is very bullish. However, if it bases, that means Bitcoin will also be coming back down to these $45,000 levels. And we can really watch and see how these buyers react, okay? If this is a fake out or not, okay? So, comes down. We want to see the buyer step in, push it higher, all right? It's a great thing. It's a great thing. It's a great thing. Now, why do I say it's a great thing? Because we are creating higher lows. Boom, boom, boom. We are given every sign that this thing is about to reverse right now. The only thing that is left is if we hold these daily candles for 4 days, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Tomorrow and the next day to be safe, all right? If we can see that, then we are looking very nice in these markets. That being said, if you've watched this far and you want real-time buy and sell alerts so you don't have to worry about where to get out, then join the Patreon. There are limited spots. I opened up 3. I don't know if there's any left. I know 2 got bought on the first video that I said. However, you can go check it out. The link is in the description. So, there might be spots, there might not, but only join if you're a serious trader and you're trying to make money. These 14 levels, this is what we're going to be hitting very soon. And it's going to be great. I'm going to be, like, guys, all right, being real with you guys, we're going to make a lot of money. It's just about staying unemotional. It's about checking in every day so you can stay updated on what's going on. Because the last thing you need is to be ignorant if you have anything over $500 in the market, hundreds of thousands especially, any amount of money. You could have $5 in the market. Being ignorant will make you lose that money, okay? And you don't need to be ignorant. And it's very easy to stay informed, especially with YouTube, especially with everything that's going on now, and especially with Crypto Billionaire 69. I'm always here for you guys. Always check in because I post daily and I will help you guys out. So yeah, these 14s are the next resistance level that we need to watch. After that, we will be coming up to these 17s. It's gonna be a great thing. Yeah, we're in for a ride, guys. The rocket ship is starting to take off. We have fuel. This is our fueling. We were at the loading dock, right? Fueling up this whole time. And now we are indeed engaging the engines and starting to take off where? To these 34 levels, okay? I will keep you guys updated. This is our major point of resistance that we need to watch in the coming future, okay? Now, if you got in around these 6 levels, let's do some quick math. That's a lot right there. That is a whole lot. That's a 5.6x gain right there, okay? Excuse my math. I'm not a crazy math genius, but you don't have to be crazy math genius to make money in these crypto markets, and that's what I'm very, very excited about. 5.6x if you got in around these 6 levels. So that means if you put $1,000 in, that means you'll turn into $5,600. So, I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. If you put $100 in, turn it to $560. That's really good, okay? If you don't think that's good, you're being greedy, all right? And greed will kill you in these markets, my friends. I've been there, I've done that, and you don't need to make the same mistakes I did. That is why I'm here. That is why you're watching this video. That's why you somehow stumble across Crypto Billionaire 69 on YouTube. Because it's fate, my friends. It's fate. So, that being said, back to the futures, all right? If you guys are looking to day trade futures, Crypto Fear and Greed Index. If you guys are looking to day trade, futures is the way to go. Don't know what futures are. I'll talk more about them in the future. But just know that, okay? Shoot me a text at 850-376-0889, and we can talk more about it. But Dogelon Mars is looking very good in the short term. I know that's what you guys came to this video for, but honestly, like, we just need to hold right now, because what we're really waiting for is this confirmation on Bitcoin above $45,000. If it holds above $45,000 these next few days, that is confirmation that a reversal is happening in the markets. And this is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. If you sell now and it spikes up to these 18 levels in a week, how are you going to feel? You're going to feel like crap, because you thought you could average back in around these 8s, okay? When if you just held what you had, you would be up even more, making money. All right? So, have patience, my friends, because we are on a journey, and we're on a journey together. Man, this is great. This is really great. I'm going to pull up Shiba Inu just so we can compare. For all you new peeps listening in right now, tune in, my friends, tune in. Shiba Inu. I rode this wave. I got out right around these 6.4 levels, 6.2 to 6.4 levels. Okay, right around the top here. Got in right around these 17s. All right. Got in here a little late. Got in a little late, but I still made a nice profit. And a lot of people I know are still holding because they thought it was just going to keep spiking higher, okay? And it will in the future. It definitely will. However, it's better to sell up here and then rebuy in down here. Month to month, okay? Not day to day. Day to day, you can get a 50% move. Month to month, you can get a 50x. All right? Do you know that difference right there? That's a lot difference. So, right now, Dogelon Mars, this is at a $2 billion market cap, I believe. When Shiba Inu, yes, around $2 billion. When Shiba Inu was just basing, all right? Dogelon Mars is so much smaller than that. It is at a $612 million market cap right now, okay? In order for it to get to $2 billion, that's about a 4x from where we are now. And that's just where Shiba Inu is basing around. Now, Dogelon Mars will eventually get to Shiba Inu's market cap, okay? A $10 billion market cap is a 20x, and that is minimal, right, from where we are. What's up? So, what we need to do is just hold, my friends. Just hold. Just wait. My friend walked in the door. It's kind of distracting me. What's up, man? I'm making a video.
Oh, I want to see.
You want to see?
Yeah.
Here, hop on. Do you have any questions about this crypto stuff
No, I just want to see what you're talking about.
that I can answer for you? Because I'm going to go live after this video. If you're watching this at 11:47 p.m., then check the live. But we are looking very, very bullish in the short term and the long term at this moment, as we have indeed retraced down to this 0.786, and we are currently breaking through this 0.618 Fibonacci level. If you don't know what Fibonacci levels are, it's just the natural points of support and resistances that charts move along. So we saw a nice little spike up to this 0.5 Fibonacci, came back down, retraced. What we want to see within the next 2 days is another push higher, okay? We want to see this test naturally. This was not natural. These were big whales pushing it higher, hitting the sell orders of people that just wanted to make a quick profit, okay? No, of the day traders. What we want to see is a natural buying pressure, which will move the floor, which is currently at this 10 level, up, okay? Once we get around these 0.5 levels, the floor will move up, and we will probably retrace back down to these 10s before moving higher. But you never know. We could just brush right through it. So either way, it's looking very bullish. And that's all I got for you guys this beautiful night. Crypto Billionaire 69. I might go live. I might not. Might just go to sleep, wake up early, make some more videos for you guys. But yeah, I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.